Hello and welcome. Now in this video guys, we are not gonna take any library, but we are gonna understand something about libraries. So ladies and gentlemen, what we are gonna talk about is actually the importance of libraries. Okay, so if we open Google Chrome, okay, and for example you do not know if there is a library for the things that you need to add. For example, here what I'm gonna do, instead of go directly to add a name of the library then searching for it, here for example I'm gonna type something really random, for example Android animation, okay, then type GitHub. Here what I search for, it's actually I search for all the libraries that related to an animation inside the Android system. Okay, so as you can see what we have all these types of libraries, okay, and you can try them out. Okay, you can for example click on this one and read the full documentation and how to use it. Okay, but the first thing that you need to look for is actually the dependency and add it, then you are good to go. Okay, so as you can see ladies and gentlemen, for example what I'm gonna search for, I'm gonna search for slider Android GitHub, for example. Okay, and this will provide me all the libraries that will help us to add a slider to our project. Okay, for example let's click on this one. Okay, and actually there is a lot of libraries that we cannot, for example, explain this in the course, because it will take us, for example, 20 hours. Okay, because there are a lot of libraries that we can take a look on them. Okay, but as you can see ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you how easy it is and how we can get benefit from these libraries. For example, we can create a really nice slider like this one. Okay, or for example like these examples that we are gonna see right now. Okay, without typing any line of code. Okay, really we are just gonna use someone else's code, okay, to implement all these sliders with these animations. It's very easy with these text. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, of course they will provide you some code that you can just copy it and paste it inside your application. And you may be asking yourself, okay, this is a Java code, okay, but of course you can convert it to Kotlin, okay, really easily. And I think there is a feature with Android Studio that once you copy, for example, this code, okay, let's for example copy this code and let's go back to our Android Studio. I think if you paste it, it will ask you to convert it to, it will ask you to convert it to Kotlin or leave it like this. Of course you can convert it and read it as a Kotlin code, but my point here is actually what the functionality that we can get. Okay, for example the image slider, for example let's search for the library count, for example the location, okay, the location, oops, Android GitHub. Okay, and you will see a lot of the library that will help you to get the location for the user, or even get the time, or for example get something else. There are a lot of libraries that do this for you, ladies and gentlemen, and the libraries that they has a lot of great features that we can get benefit from them. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my point here is actually always use these libraries. Okay, never miss these functionalities. Okay, and the steps is actually really simple. So the first thing that you need to do, it's actually to search for the dependency. Let me remove all these codes. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do, it's actually search for the dependency, then add it to your project, then see the example how to use that library. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and you will get a great result. Okay, so never miss this stuff like this. Okay, and always try everything, even if you get an error, and try your best to make everything look perfect. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. We are gonna continue on in the next video.